લર્નિંગ સિસ્ટમ્સના ડીમર્જર બાદ પહેલીવાર પરિણામ જાહેર થયા હતા. થોડીવાર પહેલાં જ નંબર્સ જાહેર થયા છે. તો અંતર્ગત કંપનીના મેનેજમેન્ટ સાથે વાત કરીએ. NIITના કો ફાઉન્ડર અને NIIT લર્નિંગ સિસ્ટમ્સના વાઇસ ચેરમેન અને MD विजय के थदानी अपनी साथ जोड़ाई गया है. विजय सर, गुड आफ्टरनून, स्वागत है सर शो पर. सबसे पहले नंबर्स के साथ जो मैं शुरुआत करूंगी सर, मार्जिन्स पे जो हम प्रेशर देख रहे हैं अराउंड 60 बेसिस पॉइंट कम होते दिख रहे हैं YOY बेसिस. क्या रीज़न सर आपको लग रहे हैं और FY24 के लिए गाइडेंस क्या रहेगा मार्जिन्स के लिए?
हाँ, तो पहली बात, अगर मार्जिन्स आप कंपेयर कर रहे हैं तो क्वार्टर ऑन क्वार्टर देखिए, बिकॉज आजकल इन द वॉलेटाइल एनवायरनमेंट दैट वी आर इन, उसके अंदर इट इज बेस्ट टू सी क्वार्टर ऑन क्वार्टर, क्योंकि लाइफ टाइम्स आर चेंजिंग एज वी गो अलोंग. Second thing which I want to say is that we had guided for a quarter of the same size that we are at, which is about 20% plus growth over last year, which without acquisition would actually be a flat quarter on quarter, which is what we are also talking about. So based on that guidance, we had projected for the year that the second half of the year would see growth coming in, given the uncertainty in the environment which is existing at this point of time, and the wide variety of things which are happening. I think what is more important is our confidence in the second half of the year comes also from the strong deal momentum that we have seen. So we have actually added 4 new MTS clients this quarter, and are maintaining a revenue visibility of $360 million, which I think is very creditable in this environment that we are in. We believe that second half will see an uptick, and then I think we should be able to get margins which are of the type that we are experiencing now. Our guidance for margin is actually 20%, but we have done better than that in this quarter, and I think going forward, it will settle down to 20 to 22% range, depending on how various other factors move. We are also making disproportionate investments in AI, use of AI in learning, which is a very exciting opportunity, as well as a new space that we have opened, which is the decarbonization and green energy space, where there is a lot of capacity building to be done. You are aware of the investment that we have recently made in Europe in a company called Eno Energy, which is promoted by European Union to promote the skilling of professionals for green energy and decarbonization space. So I think all these factors will be at work, and we would believe that our guidance of our second quarter or second half being a growth quarter is what we are looking for. Quarter 2 we expect to be flat, as we had projected earlier.
जी, डेफिनेटली. विजय सर, नेक्स्ट रेवेन्यू के फ्रंट पर बात करेंगे. एक अच्छा नंबर हम देख रहे हैं, कंसोलिडेटेड नंबर. सो आपको लग रहा है, आर यू ऑन ट्रैक टू अचीव 20% ऑफ रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ फॉर फाइनेंशियल ईयर 24?
So as I said, we are seeing an uptick in the second half of the year, and I think given the rate at which it is coming, it will be reasonable to expect that it will be in mid to high teens growth.
जी, डेफिनेटली. डिमांड एनवायरनमेंट के फ्रंट पर सर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? अर्लियर आपने बताया था रिड्यूस्ड कंजम्पशन ड्यू टू मैक्रो अनसर्टेनिटी, लोअर स्पेंड्स और ऑन लर्निंग्स. इसके ऊपर आप क्या कहेंगे?
हाँ जी, तो consumption remains subdued for existing clients, but where we are getting growth from is because we have added a lot of new clients, and that actually the propensity for outsourcing actually increases when times are uncertain or volatile, and we are getting the benefit of that. So when the demand consumption, or when the consumption of training pattern reverts, I think we will be able to see a much better growth than what we are experiencing now.
जी, लास्टली विजय से जानना चाहेंगे, NLSL NIIT लर्निंग सिस्टम्स को लेकर क्या बिजनेस प्लान है, और पर्टिकुलरली कॉर्पोरेट लर्निंग और B2B बिजनेस के फ्रंट पर क्या विजन रहेगा?
See, our vision is we are today at number 5 in the world. We are amongst the top 5 learning providers or learning outsourcing companies in the world. Our vision is that in the 3-year time frame, we should actually become up to number 3, which means in the top 3 in the world. This is a steep climb, and it will require maintaining our medium to long-term growth projection of 2020, which is 20% growth in revenue and 20% at 20% margin. So we believe with the deal momentum that we see and the initiatives that we have taken, we should be in good shape to achieve that vision.
Definitely, Vijay sir, काफ़ी details आपने share की है. Thank you so much and the best wishes for coming quarters. Thank you again, sir.
Thank you very much.